guys, so let me tell you, so a while ago, maybe like 2, 3, 4, 6 months ago, something like that, I tried to do a roller set. It ended really, really bad. I filmed a whole one of these videos and she never saw the light of day. So anyway, the DOUX, which is someone who I finally got a code with, guys. We made it. The point is that I just saw this new product by the DOUX, and it is a foam. Something that was going on with like when I used what I did the first time was I noticed that my hair was like super, super crunchy, right? I didn't like that. We're gonna try out a new product by the DOUX today, and we're gonna do our first ever roller set. Not our first ever, this is our second, but the first to you. If you do like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. I'm sorry it's so yellow in here. The lights in this bathroom are just yellow. This is our star. It is a foaming lotion. It says it is for relaxed, natural, and transitioning hair. GANGSTA WRAP sets, pixie roller sets, and wraps with a built-in heat protectant. It helps tame puffy roots and new growth on transitioning hair, reducing frizz and resisting humidity for softer, smoother, and shinier hair. On curly days, it doubles as a soft hold styling mousse. Okay, for a rod set, we need to apply a generous amount to damp hair in sections. I'm basically going to be following a tutorial on how to do this. And I hope that it comes out right this time because it didn't come out right last time. But I will do the first couple with you guys and then I'm gonna do the rest of the head. So yes, I saw the DOUX on Instagram do a like review in one of their little story shorts to talk about this. And I remembered when I tried to do roller set last time and it didn't work. I used a Mael mousse last time to do it and it was just really, really sticky and I didn't really like it too much, to be honest. I don't think that's any shade to that mousse, but mousse and I don't get along, as we can tell from previous videos. Along with this, I picked up from, oh my god, 3 of these, the Annie rollers, magnetic rollers. We are going to get into this and
so I'm going to explain this a little bit later as well, but basically I'm just going to use this comb to go and section off the pieces of my hair. A tip that I learned through watching videos about this is that you're supposed to make the section of your hair down the middle. They're supposed to be a little smaller than the rollers that you're using so that the hair just like keeps shape.
okay, so one of the mistakes that I think I made last time is after I made this kind of like mohawk situation down the middle, I didn't like kind of go along with the path. Oh my god, why do I look like this? So I'm supposed to start in the middle of my head, as you can see, and now you're supposed to make sure that the roller is like bigger than this section. That looks like it fits perfectly. So this is the section. To make sure it's smoothed out for me, I got a comb. I'm basically supposed to start from the bottom. And I'm pulling super tight. Right? So it looks like this on my head, and then I clamp. I'm trying to make sure it's as tight on my head up there as possible because I think that is the method to it. Is that one? But now I'm going to do the first 2 and then I'm gonna go down the back. I'll go down the back first and then I will come back to y'all when I have this whole first roll and then I'll show you how I do the sides. I finished the straight back. So I'm gonna do the 2 sides. To do the 2 sides, I'm gonna split them down the side also and do 4 on this part and 4 on this part, and then same here, 4 and 4. this is what the final product looks like. On this side of my head, I got a lot better at wrapping the rollers, like kind of in the back or whatever, but I don't think it was too bad. I'm going to wrap my hair up in like a scarf and then let this dry for probably like 4 to 5 hours because my hair is a little dense. I will come back and we'll take these out. I'm trying to make sure all the hair is wrapped on everyone. I go through and make sure that you don't have any spots where the hair is kind of like loosey-goosey as much as you possibly can. This is literally just supposed to create kind of like this voluminous little curly look, so if it doesn't come out perfect, it's literally fine. Wrap this up and we're gonna let it sit for like 4 to 5 hours, and then I will take it out and then we're gonna wrap it for overnight and then come back and show y'all the final presentation. Hello. So I know I said I was gonna come back to you guys same day, right? But it's actually the next morning and I just woke up. I left the rollers in overnight because I didn't know if they would be completely dry, and I hope I didn't just mess this up. Wonky. Ooh, okay. This line on my forehead. You're just gonna unpop. Guys, okay, so it feels really dry, right? Like not really dry, but I do think it's a little wet. Okay, so I just blow dried it to see if that'll help. I feel like I'm messing up the curl when I'm taking them out, but I don't know how to take them out better. I don't know why all of the curls are coming out kind of like too curled, if that makes sense, or like the top isn't super curled but the ends are really curled. Okay, so I'm gonna take the rest of these curlers out and then I will hop back in to show you. All right. This side came out a lot better than this side did, but I think it's because I started kind of learning what I was doing. Okay, let's see how I want to do this. So when I've seen the girls do this, they basically like comb it out and then wrap it, and then it'll create like a, you know, but I don't really know how to do this. Now that I know what I'm doing more so I think the things that I could have done better was to go in smaller sections on this side, and yeah. My hair feels so soft, guys. So soft. I think that product definitely would recommend. Definitely would recommend.